Let me introduce you to the Motorola Moto G73 5G, a phone that will blow your mind without breaking the bank. This gadget is intended to provide you with the best smartphone experience possible without breaking the bank, and boy, does it deliver. Priced at just over $300, the Moto G73 has a range of device features that we will look into throughout this video. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Camera. The Moto G73 5G features a stunning triple-lens camera system that can capture every moment in perfect detail. From breathtaking landscapes to adorable pet pics, this camera can do it all. The camera on the Motorola Moto G73 5G is a beast. With a 108-megapixel main sensor, you can easily capture every minute detail of your surroundings. If you enjoy night photography, you'll appreciate the built-in night vision mode, which allows you to capture insane images even in the darkest of conditions. Additionally, with the ability to shoot 8K video, you can create your own cinematic masterpieces straight from your phone. But wait, there's more. The G73 5G also has a 16-megapixel ultra-wide lens, which is ideal for documenting all your activities with friends, family, or even for creating content. If you enjoy taking selfies, you'll appreciate the 32-megapixel front-facing camera, which guarantees your selfies are always on point. It boasts new technologies such as ultra-pixel technology, which combines 4 pixels into 1 for 4 times better light sensitivity. This means that photos appear brighter and more vibrant than the average camera. Number 2. Screen. The second standout feature of the Moto G73 is its screen. The screen of the Motorola Moto G73 5G is just beautiful. You'll be able to watch your favorite shows and movies without missing a single detail thanks to the 6.8-inch Full HD Plus display. Furthermore, with a refresh rate of 120 Hz, browsing through your social media feeds has never been smoother. Another thing to note is that the G73 5G has an integrated blue light filter that decreases eye fatigue, so you don't have to worry about your eyes being weary from all that screen time. This allows you to binge watch to your heart's delight without worrying about the impacts of increased screen time. However, let's face it, we all know what we're most thrilled about: gaming. The G73 5G is the ideal phone for mobile gamers, thanks to its huge screen and excellent refresh rate. Whether you're playing Candy Crush or Call of Duty, you'll feel like you're there in the heart of the action. Overall, the Motorola Moto G73 5G screen is a thing of beauty. So go ahead and watch that extra episode of your favorite show. Your eyes will thank you. Number 3. Battery life and performance. If you need a phone that can keep up with your hectic schedule, the Motorola Moto G73 5G is an excellent choice. The battery life on this phone is one of its most notable aspects, to say the least. Even if you're a heavy user, a 5,000 mAh battery will allow you to run all day without needing to charge. It means you can take as many selfies as you want, play games, and still have enough battery to call your mom. In fact, the battery life of the Moto G73 5G is so fantastic that it's almost like having a personal attendant that follows you about with a charger. And let's be honest, who doesn't require the services of a personal assistant? Also, with 5G connectivity, you can use all the latest apps and services without worrying about draining your battery too quickly. The Moto G73 5G also comes with turbo power charging, which means you can get up to 9 hours of power in just 15 minutes of charging. That's faster than a cheetah on roller skates. So, if you're always on the go and need a phone that can keep up, the Motorola Moto G73 5G is definitely worth checking out. Trust us, your mom will thank you for it. Under the hood, the G73 5G is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 chipset, making it one of the fastest phones on the market. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 chipset is one of the most powerful mobile CPUs on the market right now, so it's no surprise that it's featured in the Motorola Moto G73 5G. Its powerful chipset features an octa-core CPU with up to 2.84 GHz clock speed, allowing for lightning-fast performance and seamless multitasking. It also has an Adreno 660 GPU, which is intended to handle even the most demanding mobile games and apps, giving customers an immersive gaming and entertainment experience. Number 4. Additional features. As if the features we discussed weren't enough, the Moto G73 still has more to offer. It highly encourages mobile personalization, which means that user can customize apps by color, theme, and language. Thanks to Android 23, personal data is prioritized and protected more than ever, with more control over the information that apps can and cannot access. In terms of storage, it has 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of built-in storage. This means that you can utilize the phone's camera and performance software by saving thousands of photos, films, songs, and games. If 256 GB aren't enough, then the phone is also compatible with micro SD cards. Users can utilize these to increase storage by up to 1 terabyte. Anyway, that's all from us today, guys, on the Motorola Moto G73 5G. If you're interested in buying this phone, then the link is in the description down below. Please be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this.